Hi, and welcome to Riccardos DIY.
Oh, step right up, come take a look. In Riccardos DIY, creativity's the hook. Old and tarnished, they'll glitter and glow. With a little magic, let your dreams overflow. We'll take the broken, give it new life. Turn old memories into something bright. From rusty hinges to a paintbrush line, welcome to the fun, it's Riccardos DIY time. Fix it, paint it, watch it shine. Join the fun, it's DIY time. Crafting treasures, one piece at a beat, where imagination and passion meet. Riccardos DIY, oh so sublime. It's Riccardos DIY time. Sawdust dancing, cheers all around. In our workshop, joy is the sound. Repurposed wonders from things gone by. Let's build something special, you and I. We'll take the broken, give it new life. Turn old memories into something bright. Tools in our hands, creativity in mind. Welcome to the fun, it's Riccardos DIY time. Fix it, paint it, watch it shine. Join the fun, it's DIY time. Crafting treasures, one piece at a beat, where imagination and passion meet. Riccardos DIY, oh so sublime. It's Riccardos DIY time. Remember to like, share, smile. Subscribe to the magic, let's stay a while. Comments are welcome, your voice is key. Join this adventure, come craft with me. Fix it, paint it, watch it shine. Join the fun, it's DIY time. Crafting treasures, one piece at a beat, where imagination and passion meet. Riccardos DIY, oh so sublime. It's Riccardos DIY time. Riccardos DIY. It's Riccardos DIY time. Riccardos DIY time, where dreams align. Join the fun, it's DIY time.